y is equal to tan x, another trigonometric function. Here, since tan x is sin x upon cos x, the denominator has cos x and denominator cannot be 0. That is why this function is not defined for all those values of x where cos x is 0. Okay, and cos x will be 0 for what values of x? For what values of x cos x will be 0? 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n is what? Integer. Got the idea? So x should not be equal to this. So what is the domain of this tan x? Domain will be a set of what? X, where x belongs to real numbers, and x should not be equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to integer. Got it? Now range. Range is set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. Okay, now important point. If you go and check the circle with the unit radius, here, if I draw 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1, tan x is actually y coordinate upon x coordinate. So tan x or tan theta, the variation in different quadrants will be, in the first quadrant it increases from 0 to infinity, from 0 to infinity, and in the second quadrant it again increases from minus infinity to 0 in the second quadrant. Now third quadrant it will be 0 to infinity. In the fourth quadrant it will be minus infinity to 0. Now if I draw this as the graph, then this has x-axis, and this has x minus x, and y-axis, y minus y. This has 0, and then 0 to pi by 2, and then pi by 2, pi, and then 3 pi by 2, and then 2 pi. And as we know, 0 to pi by 2, it increases from 0 to infinity. So you have to draw a vertical line here, and you have to show the graph going from 0 to infinity. It will become parallel to this line. Okay, now from pi by 2 to pi, it is minus infinity to 0. So again we will draw this. Minus infinity is here, minus infinity to 0. So the graph will go like this. Then in the third quadrant, it is 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity means this. Now in the fourth quadrant, minus infinity to 0. Minus infinity to 0. Okay, now if I extend this side, it is minus pi by 2. It is minus pi minus 3 pi by 2, and then minus 2 pi. So same diagram will come like this. Now like this, you can see every time the graph repeats itself after an interval of pi. So what conclusion you can draw from here is the period. The period of this graph will be what? Pi. Now recall, the period of sine was 2 pi, cos was 2 pi, but for tan, the period is coming as pi. Got the idea? So I can write tan pi plus x is equal to tan x. Got it?